Lego chainsaw commercial. Do you know where I can get nicer hair than what I have now? Sure, let me do it with my chainsaw. You made my hair fall off. Turn into a nice mohawk. That man is awesome. There's my mohawk. Lego chainsaws. Getting cut people. Ow. My hair. It can cut. It can cut things. It can even cut lines in your bed. Also, Lego chainsaw is good for hurting. Watch. When you play ball with a friend, do you play with a regular ball? No. You play with chainsaw. You hit a chainsaw with another chainsaw. And then chainsaws. You by now will also include something else. You'll include another chainsaw. Plus, when you buy the two chainsaws, you'll also include an Iron Man suit. Yeah, that's the chainsaw. That's the two chainsaws plus an Iron Man suit for only $3.99. I mean $2.99. Buy it today before your mohawk falls off. My hair just fall off. Warning, do not throw chainsaws in the air or at anybody. Otherwise you'll die like this guy. Buy a chainsaw.